Hey, Mahmoud Memberstack here, and welcome to this week's Webflow Weekly. So in this video, we are going to be looking at a small but mighty Webflow app called TurboTag, and that was developed by Marvin. Okay, so the purpose of this app is to bulk edit meta titles and descriptions, and we're just going to test it out and see how that works inside of Webflow. Okay, so inside your Webflow site, all you have to do is click on the little icon over here that has apps and then install the app on your project. Once you've installed it, then you can launch it. And then what you will see is a list of all of your pages. So currently I only have the home page, a style guide page, and then password and 404. And I can confirm that's what I'm seeing here as well. So TurboTag, from what I'm seeing, does have a paid feature that will allow you to have unlimited pages, and you can also unlock it for unlimited projects, which is a small fee to pay for something that actually saves you a lot of time. Okay, so what I can do from here is just simply rename the pages. So found, and then this will simply be home. I will keep password protected and just add an exclamation mark, and I think style guide, just to test it out, I will do this. Okay, so then you can also add meta descriptions, and another one, and the final one. Okay, so after you have edited all of your titles and meta descriptions, you can then just save all, and then that, if I click on this, I think should have updated. So for me, at least, I know that saves me a lot of time, because every time I have to edit meta titles and descriptions, I have to go on the pages and then click on the little gear icon for each and every page. And that is really time consuming. So having all the pages and in one interface where I can just scroll down and rename it will save me a lot of time between projects. So yeah, give it a try and install this little app. That will save you a lot of time. And also let me know in the comments if you've used it before, if this is helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.